Morning everyone. Already we have started yesterday the topic, that is pronouns. Okay, from Wednesday we are learning. So 2 days we have spent in learning of the pronouns and the types. Yesterday we have studied relative pronoun. In Zoom meeting also I have discussed the relative pronoun means what, and it's I think we have discussed the few exercise also. Okay, so here again I will explain this for the students who are not there. I will explain that exercise in short, and hope students you have done your homework whatever I have said yesterday. Okay, so let's see that exercise one by one. Exercise A. In that, C, fill in the blanks with the relative pronoun. Relative pronoun means what? It relating the information about a previous noun. So according to that, for people we are using who. For things we are using use, which, or that. Then again there are many. Okay, for giving relating information about an object, more information if you are relating, we are using whom. Okay, let's see. Isn't that car, that the same car dash we saw yesterday? Now when you are thinking about the relative pronoun, think that, see the part 2 of the sentence. We saw yesterday. We saw yesterday, this giving information about car, and car is a thing. So for that we are using which or that. Anyone you can choose. The man dash is wearing the blue tie is my uncle. Here people, about people we have to use the relative pronoun. So that is the who. The neighbor who loves animals has 4 dogs. Please place the table which is in the corner over here. Manju is looking for someone who can look after her cat while she goes on vacation. Then now number 6. Razia is dash is my neighbor. Now here about people, person. So who relative pronoun we have to take. Razia, who is my neighbor, turned 14 yesterday. So remaining 7, 8, 9, 10, for example, you have to solve as a homework, and that we will discuss later in the revision part. See the exercise B. In the exercise B, they given a speech, and in that speech they give us 3 oblique or the 3 options of relative pronoun, and we have to choose correct one. So keep in mind about when you are telling about the object, relating more information about the object, we are using whom. For which is used for things, that is also used for both person or the thing. Okay, and who is used for the person when it is at the subject plus. See, Kyoto welcome said, welcome to our museum. We shall conduct a guided tour of the museum. Dash is spread over the 3 floors. Now is spread over the 3 floors is giving the information about a museum. Okay, sorry, here by mistakenly I have done. The correct answer is which. Which is spread over the 3 floors. Okay, what is the correct answer? That is the second, which is spread over the 3 floors. Next we have, please meet Mr. Rahim, his assistant, that or which who will guide you through the museum. Now you will guide you through, this giving information about person, so we are using who. Then next one, student, will you show us the working model of a solar car that was recently mentioned in the newspaper? Are you talking about the model which was contributed by the student of an engineer college? Now here which is standing for the, is relating information about the model. Student says yes. Okay, so remaining you can solve. Here remaining I will tell. The curator, he said it is the model which has been selected for the International Science Fair scheduled to be held on 7th May 2020. Unfortunately, it is currently not available for viewing. Students said, we have also heard of a model that can run on both land and sea. We can certainly show you that and other working model which will stimulate your imagination. Now see exercise, which is the very simple one. In exercise C, you have to use who or whom. So might you have all of you are attended the yesterday's Zoom class, where I have clearly explained about where to use whom and how to identify where to use who. Most of whom is used with the help of these words: by, to, with, after. By whom, to whom, with whom, yeah, after whom, like this way. And when it is, see the sentence, according to meaning also we can understand. See the sentence: dash, who made this delicious puran poli? To whom was the letter addressed? My friend whom Sneha met yesterday is an artist. So according to meaning, we are choosing here either whom relative pronoun or who relative pronoun. See the number 4. I think Mr. Joshi is the one. You can use both. That, as I said, that you can use for that pronoun you can use for what? That pronoun you can use for people also. Okay, that can solve this problem. Okay, so next you are going to see the exercise D. Fill in the blanks with who, whom, that, which. I have read this storybook which was published last year. R.K. Narayan, who wrote Swami and Friends, was born in Chennai in 1906. The children who were playing with me in the next street. This is the team that won the inter-school championship. Remaining 3 you are going to solve as a homework. See the exercise. See the exercise E. Complete the passage using suitable pronoun. So see the next. I will clear the words. Okay. Now you can see. You can open the page number 32 also. E exercise. We went to Andaman Nicobar Islands, which I missed here H. Okay, which are over 1,300 kilometers from the Kolkata with my parent. We flew to Port Blair, which is the capital of Ireland. Then next one, go on this 33rd page and see. One of my father's friend who lives there had come to meet us at the airport. The first thing we did was to visit the cellular jail, which was used by the British to imprison many of our freedom fighters. Now remaining 2 you can solve. The answers are both are which. You can solve it, cross check it. Okay. Grammar, if we are telling each and every answer to you, this is the spoon feeding. So you have to solve, try to solve it. Okay. Next, exercise F. This is the important one. Rewrite the sentence by placing the relative pronoun correctly. Means here relative pronouns are used, but that are incorrect. Where they need to use, on that place it is not used. The relative pronouns are used here and there. So we have to correct it. See the first. Ritam could not participate in quiz contest who had fever. Now here Ritam, who had fever, could not participate in quiz contest. This is the correct one. So Ritam, who had, like this way you have to correct and write the whole sentence. The student is upset who lost his book. This is the wrong. What is the first thing? That is, the student who lost his book is upset. Then the apples are from a farm near Shimla which are big. The apples which are big are from a farm near Shimla. A farm near Shimla. So in this way, try to solve remaining 3 from the exercise F. Okay. And use it. We will try and cross check it. I am sending answer key also. It's not that the answer key will copy from that directly. No, you have to solve it yourself first. Then go for the cross checking with the answer key. Then complete the G exercise. Complete this sentence using relative pronoun. This is the new video game that Manju got on her birthday. Now here maybe these changes are different. Maybe you can write by your own, that is okay. But relative pronoun, by using relative pronoun you have to use. Right. Ramesh is the man. Now this about this man you can use anything. Who planted all these trees? You can write who came to meet me yesterday. You can write whatever you want to write. This may be changed. But relative pronoun is same, that is who. A thermometer is an instrument that measures temperature. A dentist is a person whose job is to examine teeth. A guitarist is a person who plays guitar. So in this way you are going to write 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which are very simple as a homework, and cross check it. If you have any doubt regarding this, on Tuesday we are going to discuss. You can ask me on Tuesday in Zoom meeting. Now exercise H. Exercise H is also what here you have to combine these two sentences by using relative pronoun. Two sentences are there. This is the cafe. Soma visited it with her parents last year. This is the cafe, and it's telling the information about cafe. So this is the cafe which Soma visited it with her parents last Sunday. Now Alex had kokum juice. It is his favorite drink. Now it is his favorite drink, giving information about kokum juice. So Alex had kokum juice, which it is the thing kokum juice. So right pronoun which is his favorite drink. Meet Satyam. He is a great swimmer. Meet Satyam. Now it is giving information about a person, Satyam. So who is a great swimmer? We have to use for person who relative pronoun. 1 minute. This vehicle hardly gives out any smoke. It runs on CNG. This vehicle that runs on CNG hardly gives out any smoke. It runs on CNG, giving information about vehicle. So after vehicle noun only directly you can use the relative pronoun and use it, no problem. Now remaining 4 you are going to solve as a homework, and see till which date I want the grammar homework complete. Till Tuesday you will complete your grammar book, all homework. So you have from today, if you count, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days, and Monday, 4 days are there. You can solve the four examples from each exercise and complete it. Now this is the very simple thing that from the passage you are going to fill up. This exercise I will take whole, but yeah, I will take till the 5th, and then remaining 4 you have to solve. Each and every exercise you are why I am giving the homework, because you should solve it, you should try it, then you understand. If I am telling the question answer like the question answer, you can't by heart it, you can't learn it. This is the skill, this is the grammar that you should know, you should use it, you should solve it like the maths. So remaining 4 you will solve. I will send the answer key, you have to cross check, and then also you have any doubt in, we are going to discuss again revision of this pronoun topic on Zoom meeting on the Tuesday. Okay, let's see. The first war of independence which was fought, it is telling information about war of independence. So which pronoun is correct? Called the Great Revolt of 1857. We have studied the lesson, glimpses of past. Second, the first partition of Bengal took place in 1905 during the period of Lord Curzon, who was Viceroy of India from 1899 to 1905. Mahatma Gandhi, who was the pioneer of India's freedom struggle, came to India from South Africa in 1915. Lucknow Pact. See, all information we are going to take from these words from here. Don't ask from where you are taking word. From the box you have to choose according to that. Lucknow Pact, which brought the Indian National Congress and Muslim League together, was passed in 1916. The Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, which took place in 1919, was ordered by General Dyer. This also all about the history. Then remaining also all about history. Once you can solve it from the box. So in this way, from each and every exercise you are going to solve, trying yourself for yourself, try it and check your answer with the answer key. And again you have doubt, you can ask me on the Tuesday. But before that, one more thing, you should see the previous video, the relative pronoun video, the whole video, whatever I have sent on the WhatsApp. You have to look it, then only ask the doubt. If you are not watching the videos and directly if you are solving the exercise, it's very hard to understand, you can't understand. So first of all, watch the video which I sent today, okay, which I sent on Thursday, yesterday, and you can solve it. Okay, thank you.